Imagine a star so massive that it could swallow our entire solar system and still have room to spare. Meet Stephenson 218, a true cosmic giant so large that it challenges everything we thought we knew about how big stars can get. But just how big is too big? Could Stephenson 218 be the largest star ever discovered? And what will happen when a star this enormous reaches the end of its life? Let's dive deep into the mysteries of Stephenson 218 and uncover the secrets of the universe's true behemoths. Nestled 20,000 light-years from Earth in the Scuti-there constellation lies an enormous red supergiant that defies belief, Stephenson 218. It's part of Stephenson 2, a cluster of massive stars first catalogued by American astronomer Charles Bruce Stephenson in 1990. But among its stellar siblings, Stephenson 218 stands out as a true titan, an absolute record breaker. Just how big is it? To get a sense of scale, let's compare Stephenson 218 to some familiar celestial bodies. Earth, a tiny speck at 12,742 kilometers in diameter. Our Sun, about 1.4 million kilometers across, huge compared to Earth, but still nothing in cosmic terms. Scuti, previously considered the largest star with an estimated 2.4 billion kilometer diameter. Stephenson 218, 2.9 billion kilometers across. That's so enormous that if you replace the Sun with Stephenson 218, its surface would extend beyond Saturn's orbit. Even light itself, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, would take over 8 hours to circle this star. But how did Stephenson 218 get so incredibly massive? Stephenson 218, like all supergiants, began its life as an ordinary star, but one with a huge amount of mass. It formed from a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsing under its own gravity. As nuclear fusion ignited, it began burning through its fuel at an insane rate. Over millions of years, it expanded into an enormous red supergiant, growing larger and larger as it neared its final days. Now, Stephenson 218 is at the end of its life cycle, and what happens next is nothing short of cataclysmic. Stephenson 218 won't last forever. In fact, stars this massive burn through their fuel quickly, and when they run out, they go out in a blaze of glory. Within the next few million years, it will collapse under its own gravity as it runs out of fuel, trigger an immense supernova explosion, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our Sun will in its entire lifetime, possibly leave behind a neutron star or even a black hole, depending on how much of its mass collapses inward. This explosion will be so powerful that it could be visible across the galaxy, a cosmic firework display for any future civilizations watching. Stephenson 218 currently holds the record for being the largest known star by volume. But in astronomy, records are meant to be broken. Some stars, like WOHG 64 and VX Sagittarii, might also be contenders, but their sizes are difficult to measure. The most massive star remains R136A1, which is about 300 times the mass of our Sun, but it's much smaller in volume. That means Stephenson 218 isn't the most massive, but when it comes to sheer size, it's currently the biggest known star in the universe. And if we discover something even bigger, well, the universe never stops surprising us. Understanding Stephenson 218 helps scientists learn how massive stars evolve and what determines their lifespan, how supernovae shape the universe, creating elements essential for life itself. What happens to the largest stars when they finally collapse, potentially forming black holes? Stars like Stephenson 218 are rare, but they are the factories of the universe, creating the elements that make up planets, moons, and even us. So, what have we learned about Stephenson 218? It's currently the largest known star in the universe by volume. If placed in our solar system, it would extend beyond Saturn's orbit. It will eventually go supernova, possibly leaving behind a black hole or neutron star. The universe is vast, and Stephenson 218 is a reminder of just how mind-blowing it really is. What do you think? Will we one day discover an even bigger star? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you love exploring the wonders of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.